May 8, 1980, a day that made history. After centuries of suffering, the World Health Organization officially declared, smallpox is eradicated. This deadly disease had claimed hundreds of millions of lives, scarring faces, taking children, destroying communities. But through science, determination, and global cooperation, humanity fought back. The smallpox vaccine, developed by Edward Jenner in 1796, was just the beginning. By the mid-20th century, a massive global vaccination campaign was underway. Doctors, nurses, and volunteers traveled to the most remote corners of the world, bringing hope and immunity. And after the last known natural case in 1977, surveillance and confirmation followed. Finally, in 1980, smallpox became the first disease ever eradicated by human effort. A virus that once terrified the world, gone. This was more than a medical victory. It was a triumph of unity, compassion, and science. Today, May 8 stands as a powerful reminder. Together, we can overcome anything.